Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a lag problem in any game. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Now guys, you can just set up some settings in your Android mobile phone. After that, your lag problem is solved. So first of all, going to your Android mobile phone, and after that, first of all, going to your settings of your Android mobile phone. After that, drop down, and you can go to your developer options. If developer option not appear in your mobile phone, then go to your about tab or about phone section. After that, you can see that a build number. Press a 7 time build number, then developer option is enabled. But I have already enabled developer option, so it's not required. So go back, and after that, go to your developer options and drop down, scroll down, and find out. Okay guys, find out a force for XMSAA. Now enable it. Okay guys, enable force for XMSAA. After this little settings, now play games. I'm sure that after doing these settings, your lag problem is solved. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.